Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into artificial intelligence, a topic that's transforming our world. AI is not just a buzzword. It's set to revolutionize our lives in ways we can't even imagine. Picture this: self-driving cars that make traffic jams a thing of the past. Smart appliances that make your home feel like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. And AI-powered tools that redefine how we learn and work. By taking over routine tasks, AI is freeing up our time for more creative pursuits. It's like having a personal assistant that knows you better than you know yourself. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data in the blink of an eye, AI is making technology interactions more engaging and intuitive than ever before. But let's not forget, every coin has two sides. With AI, there are risks we need to be aware of: privacy concerns, potential job losses due to automation, the possible misuse in areas like deepfakes, and more. Despite these challenges, the future of AI seems bright. It holds the promise of driving progress across numerous sectors, improving quality of life. Alright, now let's dive into some practical ideas on how you can leverage AI tools. 1. Boost your productivity. Imagine having a personal assistant who knows your writing style and helps you compose emails or documents more efficiently. AI-powered tools predict what you're about to type and offer suggestions to complete your sentences, speeding up your typing process. 2. Enhance your entertainment. Ever wished for a personal DJ or movie critic who knows your taste? Recommendation algorithms in entertainment platforms analyze your past behavior, preferences, and interactions to suggest new music or movies that align with your taste. 3. Revolutionize your education. AI-powered education platforms adapt to your learning style and pace, making education more effective and enjoyable. They assess student performance, provide feedback, generate lesson plans, and even assist in crafting professional emails. 4. Level up your gaming. AI can create immersive, AI-generated virtual worlds that adapt to your gameplay. Non-player characters within the game exhibit intelligent behaviors, make decisions, and interact with you in a lifelike manner. 5. Unleash your artistic side. With AI art generators, you can create unique artworks from text prompts, even if you're not artistically inclined. It's time to unleash your creativity. So why wait? Let's create some art. That's it for today. Now let us know in the comments which of these AI applications you're most excited about. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious. Until next time.